guys, welcome to Divya's Diary. In my previous video, I've told you about sequence in basic programming. In this video, I'm going to tell you about another structure in basic programming, which is called loops. So let's get started. Hey guys, now I opened code.org. Let's click on course catalog now. Let's scroll down and click on View More. Let's scroll down even more and click on Classic Maze. Click on OK and click on the 6, the dot. Ooh. Now let's read the instructions. It says, there's a way I can get to the silly pig using only 2 blocks. Can you figure it out? Well, we only have to move some steps over here. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's put 5 move forward blocks. Now let's click. Okay, this is just 5 blocks, but what if I needed 20 blocks? I can't use 20 move forwards. And what if it's too much or too less? What's the solution to this? I have it. A repeat loop. This is a loop. Since we have to move forward 5 times, we have to insert the number 5 over here and put the move forward block once in it. Now let's click run. Now before we get to the next puzzle, let's click on show code. This is our code. We can see it in JavaScript. Let's click on continue. Let's read the instructions. It says, try to get me to the green intruder using only 3 blocks. Okay, so first of all, we know that the angry bird is turned. So let's turn right to turn her to the pig. Then we need to count how many times we're going to move forward to get to the pig. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's take this repeat loop block and let's take the move forward. Now let's go right. Let's click on the show code button to see our code. Now we have finished 2 puzzles. Please give a try to the remaining puzzles. Let me give you a recap. First, we should identify how many times we should repeat. Next, we should insert that number in the repeat to meet the desired condition. This process of writing a repeat is called looping. A loop is a programming structure that repeats a sequence of instructions until a specific condition is met. There's one more question. Why do we use loops? Well, loops make codes more manageable and organized. And in complex programs, loops come in real handy. Today, we have learned about the repeat loop, well known as the for loop in text-based programming. In my future videos, I'll tell you about other loops like the time loop or the until loop. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!